Hey guys, this video is going to be a mini craft haul video, so let's get started. These are round wooden bases of 3 different sizes, and I have already mentioned all the links and prices in the description box below. Then the rectangular wooden base, then these are resin and hardener. These are small storage boxes. You can paint or decorate them. And these are whitewashed animal shapes. They are pre-marked. You can directly paint them. और इन सभी मटेरियल्स का यूज़ करके मैं बहुत ही जल्दी अपने चैनल पे क्राफ्ट वीडियोस अपलोड करूँगी. So stay connected and don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.